Hello, everyone. This is Wade Westrick, Keller Williams Realty. I am here with my good friend Jeff Rupich with U.S. Bank Home Mortgage, and we're just going to talk a little bit about what's happening in the world of real estate and home finance right now. So, Jeff, what's going on? What do we need to know?
Well, I will say here we have an unbelievable first-time homebuyer assistance program. Depending on where the customer currently resides, but if they live in a 50% or more minority area, we can get them anywhere from $8,000 to $12,500 to apply towards down payment. And if they have less than 10% of the purchase price in liquid funds, we can kick in another $5,000 credit at closing. So you can buy a house from us or financing through us, get anywhere from 13 to $17,500.
That's a lot of money,
Mm-hmm.
especially with the changes in real estate coming up with agency relationships. We'll see kind of how that fleshes out over the next couple of months. But those grants and forgivable loans are probably going to be a little more important, especially for first-time home buyers using FHA products or government loans. So I think that's going to be critical. Real quick, I'm going to get back to Jeff here, but one of the main reasons why Jeff has been a strong partner of mine for a long time, and U.S. Bank does a great job of originating loans because they don't back into it. A lot of times you'll, how much do you make and, what's your credit score? And then they'll try to figure out the rest as they go along the process, only to find out down the road that you might not be actually qualified to buy a home because they started doing the research. U.S. Bank is really good about getting all that information up front to make sure that not only are you pre-qualified, but you're really going to be able to get to that finish line and not be heartbroken at the end of the day. And Jeff is an extraordinary example of how he and his team make sure that your loans, they're going to be 90% no with your loan before you even finish looking at houses.
Yeah, we really need to get everything underwritten and approved before the customer starts looking at houses through you.
Yep.
The smell of cardboard and tape is a very, very, very strong smell, and we want to make sure that the whole home buying experience is good for everybody. So let's get the hard part done first, so that you can search for a house, and that's all you just need to focus on instead of trying to find a W-2 in a box that you don't know where it is.
There you go. There you go. And Jeff, how are rates?
Rates have stabilized. Traditionally, they're still really good. So I've heard a lot of people say that, the rate may be in the high 6s, low 7%, but rent is 100%.
Yep.
So, now's a good time to buy and start building wealth and a legacy for your family.
Yeah, I was just saying, I talk to people all the time. Interest rates are historically normal.
Yeah.
When I bought my first house in 2009, I got a 5% interest rate, and I thought I was robbing the bank.
Yeah.
And now it's about 1.5 points higher right now. So.
Yeah, I think when I started in 2000, rates were like 9.99%.
There you go. There you go. So anyway, don't want to take up too much of your time today. Thank you for watching. If you run into Jeff, ask him about his hatred for The Who and Supertramp, which makes no sense, and I'm surprised we're friends because of that. But we still love each other, and also do your best Wisconsin impersonation whenever you're around Jeff, because he really loves it. So.
Cheese and rice there, hey.
Cheese and rice. All right. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you, Wade.